You've probably seen these AI floor transformation videos all over social media. They look expensive and hard to make, but the truth is, anyone can create them using free AI tools. You don't need paid software, experience, or a powerful computer to follow along. In this video, I'll show you exactly how these viral AI floor transformation videos are made from start to finish using tools that anyone can access. I'll walk you through the full process, from generating the floor transformation images to creating a ready-to-post video. First, open ChatGPT and click on Apps, then go to GPTs. Search for a GPT called Floor Transformation. Select the first one, click Start Chat, and then hit Start. This GPT will provide you with 10 epic interior spaces that you can use for the transformation. It will then ask which one you want to use. I'm going with option 2, which is a living room. Now simply reply in the prompt box with your chosen number and send it. ChatGPT will then generate 4 complete image prompts, plus ready-to-use video prompts. It will also suggest the best platform to use, which is OpenArt with Veo 3. Now, OpenArt is a paid tool and requires a subscription, which makes it hard for many people to use. So instead, we'll use free alternatives. The best free tools for this are Wisk AI for images and Flow for videos. Go to Google, search for Wisk AI, and click the first link. Click Browse Gallery, then click Enter Tool to open the main interface. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16 and lock the seed to help keep image consistency. Now, copy the first image prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into Wisk AI, and send it. Within a few seconds, Wisk AI will generate 2 slightly different images. Choose the one you like best and download it. Now we'll use this image as a reference to generate the rest. Click Add Image and upload the image you just downloaded. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the second image prompt, paste it into Wisk AI, and send it. You'll see that it generates 2 new images, still matching the first one, but with different styles or scenes. Download the one you like. Repeat this same process to generate the remaining images until you have all 4. Once your images are ready, head over to Flow and click Create with Flow. Click New Project, then choose Frame to Video. Set the ratio to 9:16, leave the output at 1, and make sure the model is set to Veo 3.1 Fast. This step is very important, so don't skip it. Upload your first image using the first plus icon, set the ratio to 9:16, and save it. Then click the second plus icon and upload your second image. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the first video prompt, paste it into Flow, and hit Enter. Wait for the process to finish and check the result. Looks good, right? Don't forget to download it. Now, repeat the process. This time, upload the second image as the first scene and the third image as the second scene. Copy the second video prompt from ChatGPT, paste it, send it, and download the result. Do the same again by uploading the third image first, followed by the fourth image. Paste the final video prompt, generate the video, and download it. Now that all the videos are ready, it's time to put everything together. Open your video editor and import all the clips. Add them to the timeline in order. To make it smoother, add transitions between the scenes. I personally prefer a mixed transition. Don't add background music at this stage. Export the final video, and when you upload it to social media, add a trending sound or music. This helps boost views. And that's it. You've just created a viral AI floor transformation video using free tools only.